Hey there, creators! The best way to learn how to make cool stuff isn't by waiting until you're ready. It's by jumping in and trying something right now. You learn by doing, by building, and even by breaking things sometimes. That's why I'm launching the very first
Creators Craft Challenge. It's a hands-on STEM competition that's all about creativity, engineering, and just plain fun. And guess what? Anyone can join. Your challenge this time? Build a gingerbread bridge and see how much weight it can hold before it breaks. Use gingerbread, icing, candy, whatever you've got, and engineer the strongest bridge you can. My favorite bridges will get featured in a shout-out video on this channel at the end of the contest. I'll show not just the ones that hold the most weight, but also the ones that I like for other reasons, like maybe being the most spectacular fail, the youngest or the oldest builder, or the tastiest looking bridge. Here's how to enter. Build a bridge. Not just any bridge, a bridge that meets these requirements. The bridge must be made entirely of food items. You can choose the food items, and they don't even have to taste good together, but they must be edible. The bridge has to span a 24-inch gap, which is pretty big for something made of food, so make sure to build it well. The bridge must have at least one car lane that a Hot Wheels type car can drive on easily. The bridge may not be wider than 5 inches or taller than 10 inches. Submit a video of your bridge. This should include a quick introduction where you show what you built. This video should also show the destructive testing of your bridge, where you load the bridge with water bottles until it breaks. Post the video to YouTube or Instagram Reels with both of these hashtags in your caption. Hashtag Creators Craft Challenge 1, hashtag Gingerbread Bridge. These hashtags will help me find your videos and help the other participants to all be able to see each other's bridges too. Fill out a submission form so that I can be sure to find your video even without the hashtags. The link to this will be in the description. The submission deadline for this challenge is May 18th, 2025. What's the prize? My favorite bridges will get featured in a shout-out video on this channel. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the shout-out video or future contests. For all the specifics on how to enter, as well as a link to the submission form, go to the link in the description. I can't wait to see what you come up with. So grab some gingerbread, grab a camera, and get building. Let's see whose bridge is the sweetest and the strongest. Now go create something amazing. I'll see you in the next video.